Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kinigilonggi kubor bam takasngi. Umentri rangba akajila Conrad ke Sangma berba prestun tensong kilali ai kublai buram bakhadu yu sembut mentri rangba barim kajila ba Standlington David Khongwir hagi yingsa ajang u hamaulai nonglo mar persya kamadan waking. Umentri rangba ulano mensim songu yo ba Standling ha kabaga jila kala itu yo kum uwei nikiri rangba ulano shibun kasinyang ya ka constituency bar ya ka jila hagi babun kiliang. U Conrad ke Sangma ha ka jing yakran yakana lembar ki jingyo ya ki jingnang jingtip na ulit ba Standling u Conrad uloong ba ulayo kalat ban yakran. Ya kendu ba dia trailang bat u hagis nem bala letnyo por ba udai urang ba shnong ha ka ba ulayo ba ka kabu banyo jinghikai na u. Bat banyo yakran yeslok ya shibun ki yathu ula benram u Conrad ula ken mauru ya ki senyang jeng u kum urang ba shnong hadu san pho san snem bar ka jing trai kam jeng u na ka benta ka roy ka par jeng ka maulai kum u president ka maulai town dorbar.
We are deeply saddened by the demise of late Bah S.D Khongwir, and we all know him as a very senior and a person who has contributed immensely to his constituency, to the state as a whole. And he has been known as a person who has been really loved by the masses. And it was reflected in the kind of support he continued even after he was not an MLA. Even then, the support that he saw, the love he saw from the people, just simply reflected the kind of leader he was, the kind of love that people had for him. So definitely we will all miss him. I also have had the opportunity to interact and meet and work with him in the past. Even as a Rangba Shnong, we had, when he was the Rangba Shnong, we had multiple meetings. So I really had a lot of chance to learn from him and to interact with him and discuss so many things. And I remember meeting him last just before the elections, and it was a great opportunity. I'm happy I got that opportunity to meet him. So at this point I do express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family, and I pray to Almighty that his soul may rest in peace and give strength to the family so that they can bear this loss that they had.